Unboxing of our Budk case.
So silly.
New catalog. Here's right there. Nice number one.
You got two in the connects there?
Keys right here.
The keys,
It's a nice ass fucking knife.
yeah, it is.
It's sharp.
Yeah. It's a nice knife.
Hey, did she bring the kid's pants back or what?
No.
She said that she had to go to her house and get it or something.
Got the survival kit in
What
there.
does it?
Oh, and the compass too.
Oh, the compass? Yours doesn't have a compass?
Yeah, I have a compass.
That's
Just
cool.
like that.
That's cool.
Keys right
I like that. It's cool.
here. Keys right here, see?
That one again?
That's Keith.
Oh. Keith, Keith.
He's not here right now.
What?
I told you to go off in his truck.
No, fuck.
He's gonna keep on, you know, he's a big boy, officer.
Temporary license.
I don't know, I don't think so. What are those? The keys too?
The relaxing balls.
Yeah, I'm trying to see if they work. My hands are in beginner form.
Oh, nice.
There you go. What, you got two sets of them?
Mm-hmm.
Keith did? Pretty cool.
You're not my girlfriend. You're my stalker.
You know what I'm saying?
You know how you're not my girlfriend, you're my stalker.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah.
What else?
This is that big nice
Thank you.
guitar.
Who's that? Who got that? Oh, that's cool, dude. Who got that?
Me.
Keith?
Yep. Sick, huh?
Yeah, that's sick.
Oh, dude.
That is
Guitar
cool.
lighter.
It's a lighter?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's cool. She gives that to you. That's cool.
You're mean to it.
I love you, Oscar.
You know you don't have to put these in the holes, Craig. These earrings, they clamp on.
I know.
And that would have mine. Yes.
Tomahawk
The
brand.
big knife.
The big knife? Oh, shit.
Hey, how do you use a coral?
Early.
Yeah, they're coral. Carved coral.
I like them. They're pretty. That's nasty looking. Look, my fingers in the way. Are these my fingers? Those are my fingers. Let me see. Ew, it looks like Jason blade or something. Look at Oscar. Look at that blade. His boomerang blade. Look.
How do you gonna come back for you?
Look at it.
Don't try to boomerang.
Have you seen it?
Yeah, better.
Big. That thing's big. It looks like Jason.
That's the boxing of the Budk case.
There you go.
Have a great day, everybody.